Good morning, guys. Welcome to Join SFDC Hands. In this, we are covering series of lectures on ARA components. The today class is about uh, ARA handler. So this is the ARA handler that I'm taking. The syntax, the basic syntax of the ARA handler is quite similar, not similar. It is just same. Okay. This is the up to this part, up to the highlighted part. See, we have to follow this syntax. The ARA handler name should be in it and value should be exclamatory symbol and this, and action is equal to up to this exclamatory c dot. Up to here we have to follow the same syntax, and whatever you write just show here. Okay, that should be written here. Okay, whatever you write here after c dot you have to write this one. Okay, that means whenever this arrow handler invokes the show content of the show content inside the controller, this we call it as controller. This is the controller. Okay, so after writing the component, if you press the controller, this will come. Okay, this button come, you need to write the logic. Okay, so whatever you write inside the show method, the controller that executes first. Okay, and we need to invoke the application. Sorry, we need to invoke this component. Okay, with the help of this is the component name ara underscore handler underscore one is the component name that we need to invoke from the application. Okay, if I press the update preview, see nothing is there because inside the controller nothing is there. But if you see there are two consoles. Okay, like the system.debug we have, in the lightning we have console. Okay, console.log, there are two log files. This is Ashok, welcome to join SFTC hands. Okay, so that means, so the moment you press the update, this application will invoke the component. The component will automatically initialize because our handler is present. So there is no need to press any button to initialize. Okay, so I will tell you what is button and all in the next stage of classes. Right now, so there is no button required to initialize the component. So when RL handler is there, automatically this component called by someone else by application or so, automatically the inside the component, if handler is there, this handler will get, sorry, this handler will get file. I'm sorry, this handler will get activated. So inside the active handler, what we have written, there are only two log files. Those two files are executed. Okay, so let us discuss the same scenario in the component. Okay, here in the paint, sorry, in the paint. So when application, when we invoke the, I'm sorry, when we invoke the, yeah, when we invoke the component inside the application, automatically this component will get called. This component will get called because the component name is ara underscore handler. So inside the component, what is there? Ara handler is there. Okay, so ara handler is the method defined in the ara handler is show. So this automatically show method is placed in the controller. So controller get fire. I'm sorry, this show method will get fired, so get called otherwise. So inside the show method, what is that? There are only two log files. These two log files will display in the output. That's it. Okay, so this is for initialization purpose. The hara handler is for initialization purpose, and it is, this hara handler is a predefined component in the line. Okay, if the component has ara handler defined in it, the first ara handler action, that means this is the action will get called. Okay, action is performed, then the remaining body of the component is loaded, because if nothing is there inside the body, only ara component is there. If any other code is available, that code will be executed only after the ara handler action is performed. The ara handler action will be get performed first, the remaining action will be called later after this. Okay, whenever component executed, first and foremost action performed is ara handler, if ara handler is defined inside. If not, the code will be executed as it is. Okay, this ara handler is used for mainly used for initialization purpose. Okay, okay guys, that's all about this class. In the next class we will discuss about the passing the values from the controller. Okay, passing the values from the controller. In the last class we have seen passing the values from the application. Now in this class, in the next class, we will pass the values from the controller. Okay, thank you very much.